Good morning, guys. we are wake up. Wait, we are wake up very early. One didn't sleep. We are going to Albacete. I don't know what will we do. We will catch the train and we will see. Let's go. Now we are arrived at train station. We are waiting train. We will see. Hi guys, I will show you Spain train toilet. I showed my channel in Turkish train toilet and I want to show also. There is a trash, apple, paper, closet, wash, mirror and that's it. It's not too big but it's okay. Yes, we arrived finally. It was long trip and I'm tired, also I'm tired and we are going now. Yes, I arrived one's house. I like one house because he designed very good and then I don't know, it's looking good. It's amazing, I like one. Now Juan and me, we are going to Juan's friends. We will meet and I don't know what will we do. I guess I meet new person, new friends. I don't know. Juan is talking with his friend. Bullshit. Hi guys, now we are in famous Albacete Park. Tuso. This park looks like mine city parks. Park name is Paşa Bahçe. If I can put picture, you can see this side. This is Paşa Bahçe pictures, and also look like Paşa Bahçe, but this park and I don't want to say liar, so I guess Paşa Bahçe is better than this park. Juan, lo siento, bro.
No, not this best park, you know.
So Juan accept this situation because I showed mine city park. he liked also. You can come and you can chilling, you can doing sport, you can if you have a bicycle you can ride there. But me gusta. Now I'm eating with Spanish family, Juan's family. This is pescado, calamar. I will eat.
Dame ese plato y le echo pesca papá.
Aunque sea de forma telemática. No más.
Yeah, I like.
Son cardiovasculares,
I will
el
eat
de la
muscle.
Rosa
How does
Bénica,
it taste?
¿no?
I don't know.
Sí, se
En
llama.
Granada se llama
Está trabajando en el hospital.
Torrecardo. Ah, esa que le hay.
Saklut. Aspirin. Qué bonito. Sí. This is ice cream. Muy delicioso.
Está bueno con el higo.
Vais a perder al final.
Y los kikos, el de kikos está que te cagas de bueno.
In Spain, there is a tradition. One mother said to me, if you start 12, you have to eat 12 grapes in 12 seconds. I will first time try, and I'm curious about this. So we'll see.
Coca-Cola. Qué angustia esto.
Now Juan and me, el pincho de Feria,
De la feria.
La Feria. Juan said to me some knowledge, and we are listening. Juan.
Well, this is Feria de Albacete, and inside there is all bars and shops and things like that. And outside there are attractions for children, also more shops, different games, place to have dinner, to drink, and it's all the, maybe, I don't know how long can this be, but enormous. If you want to show, all through there, all through there, outside, inside, all this building.
Vale. Muchas gracias for the knowledge. Now we came to Morina. What's the story, Juan? Can you say my followers?
This is typical molino from La Mancha. It represents the aeolic and water resources and management for getting energy from them since many years ago. And this is typical Don Quixote molinos with aeolic part and also a part that represents the water molinos.
This time we came Plaza de Toro. Inside they are doing bullfight. Classic Spanish bullfight arena, I guess. Is it true? Yeah. Say something.
The only thing I can say is that here in Feria, many people comes to drink outside around here. You can record the, you know, this is here,
Area, sí, vale.
and everywhere is people drinking because this is the part where people can drink their own drinks without paying to another shop which sell it more expensive.
Vale.
So it's more economic.